So we need to do something about this general area right here. Well, after run and pick up a couple fittings, I didn't buy anything for this little project I'm working on. I just grabbed some leftover fittings that I had. But I'm going to run into town right now, and I can't wait to show you something. I'm so excited about this place. Right now it is 2:33 p.m. and I just left the house. Keep that in mind. 2:33 p.m. Check this out. Just opened a couple weeks ago. Well, I picked up a 22.5 and a 45 at the new Ace hardware store in town. I was thrilled to see that place open. It's a pretty decent sized store. They have just about everything you'd need. So far, every trip that I've gone in there, they've had exactly what I needed. And yeah, I'm really excited because right now I'm pulling back in the driveway and it is 2:43. Exactly 10 minutes to go pick up two fittings. Had that store not been there, which it wasn't, you know, before, it would take me, that's a half-hour, 45-minute deal, easily. But yeah, 10 minutes, back in business. Pretty excited. Oh man, you need to use that for something. I need to get you some wood out of that. That'll be some really nice stuff. I'm serious. Yeah. All right, what I did, I went and got a 22.5 and a 45. I'm just gonna step this down a little bit. I don't have to dig deep at all here. But what I'm gonna be putting here is just kind of some landscaping. Like I put some boulders in here, some more topsoil, some mulch, a few plantings. Basically, all I'm trying to do is make it that I can mow all this and it'll look nice. I had talked before about building a retaining wall, but I don't really need that. I've got plenty of room here. You know, it's not like I need a vertical wall or anything like that. So the reason I got that other 22.5, I'm gonna step this pipe down a little bit. There's gonna be some fill that goes over top of this right where I'm digging right now. And the first boulder will probably be right about here where the bucket is right now. And I'm not real good at the landscaping thing. I mean, I like things square and straight and all that. And you know, when it comes to this kind of stuff, I don't know, it should look all right when it's done, but we'll have some mulch and some boulders and then some little rock. Gonna need something that's a little bit green in there as well. Should look pretty good. All right, I got my ditch dug. What I'll do, I'll run this schedule 40 down here, and then I'll end up putting a 45 on it or whatever I need and run down the driveway with it. And I actually need a new culvert pipe to cross the driveway. I don't need to do that right now, but when I do dig that, you know, I'll bring my dump trailer down here, load that dirt right into the dump trailer, and then backfill, you know, everything down there with 2A limestone. I just got a phone call from Plumber Jim. Remember Plumber Jim? A really good guy. And he's going to stop up tomorrow. And he's bringing me something. Wait till you see this. I can't tell you what it is yet, but he sent me a couple pictures. Pretty excited about it. Should be very, very nice. Hope to get this backfilled before he sees it tomorrow, just in case I did something wrong. Nah, I'm just kidding. It should be, this is good. I use this Schedule 40 here. A lot of people use that light wall for your downspouts and stuff. I don't like doing that. This is definitely more money, but you don't have to worry about it. Once I get this in, this whole area right in here, I will, I'll put some limestone, 2A limestone in there. It compacts well, and you don't have to worry about it. Once this is in, I could drive up over top of this with a tractor or the excavator, and it won't hurt it with a little bit of cover on it. Well, there you have it. I may have been able to do without those two 22.5s. You know, although this is Schedule 40, there's a little bit of flex to it. I probably could have just kind of pushed it down, backfilled over top of it, but I just feel comfortable doing it the way I did. Next up, I will pack all this area right in here with some 2A limestone, tamp it in there a little bit, done. Won't have to worry about it. Then what I'll do, I'll bring some topsoil in here, kind of fill this in a little bit. I'll start bringing some boulders up. You know, whatever I can't mow is what I want to cover. So somewhere like right in here will be lined with boulders up on the bank. Hopefully it looks good. I think it'll be fun. It's still a little bit too wet today. Actually, it's really wet today. We had a ton of rain yesterday, but I'll get this part done here and maybe start hauling some boulders up. And then if it dries up a little bit tomorrow, my big topsoil pile's over there, I can start bringing some dirt over here. All right, that looks pretty good. I will tamp this down with the bucket on the excavator when I'm setting these boulders. I'll probably start bringing a few up this evening, maybe just set them right over there, and I'll be able to set them from either the driveway or by sitting up there. I'm just kind of trying to envision how this is all going to look. I think it'll look good when it's done. I'm just not 100% sure. Like I said, I'm not a landscaper. Right here, I can mow pretty comfortably, come right up here around this bend. So what I'll probably do, I'll have to paint it out. That's what I'll have to do. Paint it out. Paint out a nice line here, whatever. Up, boulders, couple old trees, mulch, 2B limestone. Should look good. So before I start hauling some boulders up, I'm going to touch this up real quick. I left it like this last night. I need to get some more up to the building, grade it up a little bit, and I'll hit it with that plate compactor. When it's nice and wet like this, it's real damp. This stuff compacts really well, much better than when it's dry. Wow, the sun just came out. This is the first time I've seen it in a few days. But this boulder right here, this is one of the biggest ones that I have. I think it may be better, instead of bringing them up here and piling them up, just to kind of bring them up as needed. Because what I'll do, I'll end up cutting some of this sod out of here, dress this up, and then I'll bring the boulders up 1 or 2 or 3 at a time, you know, the smaller ones. But yeah, should work. But anyway, Melissa came out, and I've had a pretty good afternoon. Got a lot of little things taken care of. But it's Sunday evening right now, and you're going to see this video on Memorial Day. So we want to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day.
We are very patriotic people. We are, and the sacrifices that so many have made, it's something else. It really is, and we're very appreciative. Yeah, and to live in this country and
our freedoms.
Yep, absolutely.
We cherish.
But we just had some family come up. Ty is adapting pretty well, huh?
Yeah. He's a big brother now, in case anyone's missed it.
Yeah. Yesterday he wasn't too sure.
Yeah, he wasn't. He smiled when he first saw her, and then when she cried, he cried.
Yeah.
So, he's doing better.
But yeah, we got a busy week ahead, and I think we're going to wrap this video up. Do you want to close this and do a little plug for your channel, Melissa?
Yeah. Go to Morgan's Off the Leash. That's my channel. And check out my most recent video, and then even the few before that. I think you'll like them. Just gives you some behind the scenes of what I'm doing and what we're doing behind the scenes of Outdoors with the Morgans. So thanks much for being here. Comment down below. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon. I don't know when our battery died, but go to Morgan's Off the Leash. That's my channel. Check out my most recent videos. I think you'll like them. And while you're here, comment down below. Hit the thumbs up for a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one.